Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Outlook error detected in OST file. If Outlook is showing an error related to the OST file, one common way to troubleshoot it is by turning off cached exchange mode. This changes how Outlook stores mailbox data locally, and it can help if the offline data file has become corrupted or is no longer syncing properly. We'll walk through the process clearly so you can follow along at your own pace. To begin, make sure Microsoft Outlook is completely closed on your computer. This is important because Outlook settings may not update correctly if the program is still running in the background. If needed, give it a few seconds to fully shut down before moving on. Next, press the Windows key on your keyboard. This will open the Start menu or Windows Search, depending on your version of Windows. From there, type in Control Panel and open it from the search results. If your system shows several options, choose the standard Control Panel app. Once Control Panel is open, look for the search bar, usually located in the top right corner. In that search bar, type Mail. This helps you quickly find the Outlook Mail settings without having to browse through all the categories manually. When the Mail option appears, click on it to open the Mail Setup window. Inside the Mail window, select Email Accounts. This will open the Account Settings area where your Outlook email profiles are managed. In the list of accounts, click on Email. If that tab is not already selected, then choose the account you want to adjust. After selecting the account, click Change. You should now see the account configuration screen. Here, locate the option labeled Use Cached Exchange Mode. This setting allows Outlook to keep a local offline copy of your mailbox in an OST file. Since the error is connected to that file, the goal here is to disable that local cache. Uncheck the box for Use Cached Exchange Mode. After removing that checkmark, Outlook will stop relying on the cached offline file for that account. This can help bypass OST-related issues, especially if the file has been damaged. Be aware that with cached exchange mode turned off, Outlook may work directly with the mail server, so performance can feel a little different depending on your connection speed. Once you've made the change, you can close the settings windows and reopen Outlook. Give it a moment to reconnect and load your mailbox. If the issue was caused by the OST file, this adjustment may resolve the error. That's it for this guide.